Hey guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you the cleaning products that I use to keep my home clean. I like to use more natural products. If you research bleach, it can actually lead to health problems and can deteriorate the insides of your lungs as well as the lining of your esophagus from constantly breathing in bleach. So I like to go more natural because it's safer for children, it's safer for the whole family. So I'm going to show you my cleaning products, my natural cleaning products, and if you want to see my cleaning schedule or more cleaning videos about how I keep my house clean with 3 children and 1 on the way, let me know in the comments. If you haven't already, you can hit the subscribe button and the little bell to be notified when I upload more videos. Okay, let's see. Okay. So the first thing I use to clean pretty much everything, countertops, tables, chairs, disinfect anything, you name it, is distilled white vinegar. And what I do is I have a spray bottle here that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1. And I pretty much just pour this in here, fill it up about halfway, and then fill the rest with water. Shake it up and you're good to go, and you just spray it on your countertops or on top of your stove, your tables, whatever you need to clean. And this is what I clean pretty much my whole house with. Okay, now vinegar is very acidic, and that's why it works to disinfect. So it's a natural disinfectant that will naturally clean your surfaces without any harmful chemicals. The next thing that I use for my dishes, I just use regular dish soap. So I have Dawn here, but I do like the 7th generation brand better, but because of the pandemic, we are unable to get certain things that we would normally be able to get. So right now we use this Dawn. I wash my dishes with it, and then also I put a little bit on a rag, and it works great to scrub your bathtub and shower area with, because it removes soap scum very well. Okay, then the next thing I do use Lysol disinfectant wipes, but I only use them in the bathroom. So I will clean around my toilet, like my toilet seat, my toilet, and my bathroom counters with this. The only reason I do that is because I do not like to keep like a rag or anything like that I use to clean the toilet. So I like these because I could just throw it away after I've cleaned the toilet. And then the last thing I use is Comet. Normally I like the powder better, but as I said before, because of the pandemic, I was not able to get the powder, so I had to go with the liquid. And the only thing I really use this for is for my oven, inside of my oven. I spray it with my vinegar solution. I'll spray it with that, and then I will put the Comet in there and let it sit for like 2 minutes, and then scrub it, and it keeps my oven, the inside of my oven, very clean. Now, when I clean the walls, doors, light switches, things like this, furniture, anything like that, I'll put some Dawn inside my little bucket here that I also got from the Dollar Tree. I'll put some Dawn in there, and then I'll put water in there, mix it up, and just have a soapy solution, and it cleans everything. And it cleans the walls and doors and things like this. So whatever I do not use the vinegar for, I use Dawn for. And the only exception is the bathroom toilet, which I use the Lysol, and then the oven, which is where I use the Comet at. So I like to try to keep it more natural. Now the vinegar does have a smell, but the smell will go away within a couple minutes. Like after you wipe it up, the smell goes away. If the smell bugs you, you can add a couple drops of essential oil or a couple drops of the of lemon juice, and it'll help take the smell away, but the smell doesn't really bug me that much. Now, vinegar will disinfect just as well as Lysol or bleach or any other products like that, vinegar will disinfect just as well, but it's more natural and it's also safer for children. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Bye.